What the fuck?
What's up, Mkgvng? It's your girl Kylie, and I'm finally back with another video. I know I've been pretty sick, so forgive me, but I'm finally back. But I figured since I've been sick, she's not gonna expect me to get up and do a prank on her. So I don't know. For any of you that know Tae, she doesn't like bodily fluids for real. Like, I'm gonna do this prank where I'm gonna sneeze on her. And me being sick, she's gonna get so mad. I already know she's gonna get so mad. Maybe I shouldn't do this. But it's all for you. It really is. It's all for you guys. But I'm gonna do my best to try and be loud so y'all can hear me, but it's kind of hard still a little bit. But alright, so what I'm going to do, I gotta hurry up and do this because I gotta do this and set the camera up there before she gets back inside with Cash. So I'm gonna hide the spray bottle probably in my shirt or under the cover, and I'm gonna fill it with water, and every time I'm gonna just be like, achoo, and spray her. And so she's not even gonna know. It comes out like a mist. I don't know if y'all can see it, but like, look. She's gonna get so mad. All right, let's fill this up. Let's fill it up. Let's see. She's gonna get so mad. I am. Okay. Alright, let's go set the camera up out here. Okay. Dang, it wasn't trying to focus for a minute. Y'all seen that? But alright, I got the bottle. I'm gonna go get the blanket out the room, and I'm gonna just sit under the blanket with the bottle and get ready for her to come in, because we're about to be watching a movie. So it's gonna be perfect. Oh, it's gonna be so bad. Let's get into it. Alright, let's do this. Got the bottom of the blankets right there, so I'm gonna just post up. Alright. I'm just gonna hide the blanket in my thing. Oh shit, I gotta hurry up, I think you're coming. Oh shit, this is gonna be so good. Hey baby. Cash, speed good. Be good. Come here. Come here. He didn't even let you unclip him. Baby, what was the movie you said you had wanted to watch?
I need to show you quickly.
They put Safe Haven on Netflix.
Really?
Yeah. You want to cuddle me?
Well, I gotta show you Brooklyn too.
Okay. Feel a little better.
You do?
Yeah, I just still really like congested. Okay.
There's no water in the refrigerator?
Yeah, there's some in the freezer. I'm gonna put the movie on.
It's low-key hot out there.
I know it's been hot the past couple of days. I like it though.
It's not cooked yet.
You didn't get any?
It's
I
not
had
cooked
just
yet.
put it in there not that long ago. I'm still like, my nose is still really stuffy. I'm still tired of having this cold on. I love you. Give me a kiss. You can kiss me.
Baby, you know how my sore throats are.
You don't.
What?
You do get really bad sore throats. My nose has just been running. Well, here, pick a movie. I don't know what to watch.
Did you switch spots?
You want to switch spots?
Yeah, because you can lay down like this way.
Okay.
And I'm gonna put my legs on the thing.
Okay. I would still have the blanket though, right? Well, I'll go this way. Okay. I'm still like really stuffy. It's right there. No, I don't know if I want to watch that one. When's the last time you seen it?
I mean, yeah, we could watch this one first, but then I'm gonna show you quick lines of this. You okay?
You just sneeze. I've just been sneezing a lot lately. Can you get me? Is there any tissue?
I need some toilet paper. I don't have any tissue.
It's okay. Well, can you go get me some toilet paper then?
Yeah. It's.
I love you. It's an apple juice. I'm just kidding.
Yeah, apple juice.
I'm not kidding. I'm just kidding. Netflix is taking forever. I don't think I haven't seen this movie since. Baby, I don't want to watch it yet. Can we keep looking? Thank you.
Maybe either this, or I could try to figure out how to go crippling up on here. Babe.
I'm so sorry.
I've never shared before.
Did it get on you?
Yes, it did.
Yeah. You need some tissue?
I'm okay. I got it.
Here. Let me
Just use the tissue. Baby, I'm okay. I'm okay. Just use it.
I'm sorry. I didn't mean to make you mad at me.
Baby, I'm not mad. I'm just.
I'm almost done with this.
Juice.
Baby.
I can't find this
Hello.
I don't know if it's like cash or something, but.
Babe, oh my gosh. Babe, what are you doing? You're trying to sneeze on me.
No, I'm not. I'm
Babe,
covering
yes, you
my
are.
nose, babe. I'm covering my
No,
nose.
you're not.
Jeez, I sneezed so hard my nose ring came out. I'm sorry.
No, because you're sneezing on me on purpose. Like,
Baby, no, I'm not. I'm not trying to sneeze on you on purpose. Can you just cuddle me?
babe, you getting all your snot on me. Like, damn.
Well, here, I tried to give you some tissue.
I don't need the tissue. You need the tissue.
Alright, let me blow my nose then. Let's see.
You just got your spit like all over me. Like,
I thought I had covered it. I'm sorry.
it's fine.
See what's on Hulu.
What the fuck? Like, what the? My mouth was open.
I'm
like,
sorry.
Babe, that's not funny.
Baby.
Like, come on, you know I get sick easy and you want to putting snot all over my face.
Baby, I'm sorry. Do you spitting it out? I didn't mean it. It didn't even get in your mouth.
Like, what are you doing, babe?
Babe, I'm sorry.
No, I'm gonna sit
Okay.
over here because you know I'm a sore throat's harder.
Fine, then sit on the other side of me. I'll just sneeze this way.
Like,
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Alright. I'll just cover myself with a blanket or something.
yeah.
They don't pick it up like it's just so disgusting. I'm your
Come
wife.
on,
What are you gonna do when the kids sneeze on you?
Babe, but you're not sneezing directly in my face. Like,
Babe, I didn't mean to. That's my. When I sneeze, I always lean to
I
my
know
left.
you wouldn't be happy if all my snot just covered your whole mitt, like all that. Like, no, like that's nasty. You know, I already know I don't like spit like that.
I'm sorry. I didn't mean to. I didn't mean to at all.
I'm just sneezing so hard.
I'm sneezing hard because I'm sick, babe. Why you?
On me. You're not. It's supposed to cover, baby, or this corona going around. Like I could pick up a whole nother.
You would have had it by now.
Alright, but still, like,
Just find something to watch, dang. Before I don't even want to watch a movie no more.
Or you don't want to. You're not the one getting sneezed on.
Okay, alright, I'm sorry. Can I have a case of this? I'm sorry.
Baby, I'm already about to get sick. I can feel it.
You can feel it already?
Yes, I know because I started feeling like. Babe, alright, I'm done.
Babe!
You definitely.
It's a prank!
That's not.
It's water! You really think I sneeze on you? The camera's on! Achoo!
So we pranking now. So you must feel better. You feel better.
Babe,
Where's the
it's my
camera?
first prank back!
Where's
No, my butt all came out and everything. Here, let me get it. It's right here. Let me see it.
When did you even grab the spray bottle? Like, wow. Like what?
Baby, it's
that's
right
not-
here. You thought I would just sneeze on your face?
That really felt like spit. Like it really.
No, hand me here. I get it. Hand the thing.
Let me do it too. Chew.
Babe!
It feels like spit. Like it really feels like spit.
Do it again.
Yeah.
Oh, that's like all mist. It's all
Exactly.
mist.
So imagine it all going to the side of your face and you think
I would
it's
say,
spit.
alright, well, Team Kylie had a
So
success
you feel
then.
better. Okay. Team
No,
Tay.
baby, I could barely
Team
do this
Tay.
one. Baby, no.
We got the pranks coming back because she feeling better.
No, I could
Yo,
barely do
I'm
this
so
one.
glad that's water. I was low key tight.
I know, you were like, it got in my mouth. She was
It
so
did get in my
mad.
mouth. I was low key tight. I really was.
I'm not, I would never sneeze in your face. I would never do that.
Like
but
it just kept happening. I'm like, oh no, you doing this
No,
on
no,
purpose.
Team Kylie won this time. But if y'all like this video, like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know what you want me to do next. This video was kind of hard to do, babe. I had to talk all the way through it.
She trying to play sick now.
I am sick. I still am sick, but alright. We'll see you with the next one.
Alright.